Good morning, students. We are switching to frequency synthesizers. Frequency synthesizer is the means by which many discrete frequencies are generated from one or more fixed reference frequencies. Number of frequencies are F1, F2, F3 up to Fn as shown in the figure, and frequency synthesizer generates only F0. The reference frequencies are stable and spectrally pure. Frequency typically generated from a piezoelectric crystal. Piezoelectric crystal generates a high standard frequency or frequency of best quality. As you know, an example of a tea making, if you analyze tea, making of tea is analysis, and analysis after tea, if we analyze that tea, we get different components, which is nothing but a synthesis of a tea. So only single tea, if it is separated, separated, it has different sugar, then milk, water and other parameters. Synthesizer will analyze these frequencies. Like T, many frequencies are generated from a single frequency. A direct synthesizer will generate different frequencies. In a prism experiment, one ultraviolet rays are passed through a prism, and prism generates number of frequency parameters. When we collect all these frequency parameters on the another prism, inverted prism, it generates a single ultraviolet rays. So single ultraviolet ray generation, or from a single frequency, a number of frequencies are generated, which is called synthesis. As in a direct synthesis, in this particular figure you will find that there is a mixer and a divider, divided by 10, only a mixer and divided by 10 is there. 18 megahertz frequency is, this is 18 megahertz frequency, which is inputted to a mixer. Mixer's another input frequency is 2 megahertz to 2.9 megahertz. Output will be intermediate frequency or addition of these two frequencies, or it may be a subtraction of these two frequencies. So 20.0 to 20.9 megahertz frequency is at the output side. Now this frequency is divided by 10, and you will get 2 to 2.9 megahertz frequency over here. 2 to 2.9 megahertz frequency generated due to this division. So here you will get 2, here it is 16, and across the mixer it will be 18, or this frequency generated at the output side. So 18 megahertz frequency, again it is passed through a mixer, another mixer, whose 18 to 18.09 or more number of frequencies are generated from a single frequency of 18 kilohertz. 18 megahertz more number of frequencies are generated. So from a single frequency we have generated 18 to 18.09 megahertz frequency. Again it is passed through 2 to 2.9 megahertz frequency. So output will be like this, 20 to 20.99, that is plus addition will take place. There may be subtraction across it. Again it is divided by 10, that means 2 to 2.99 will be there. This is 2.99 16, that will be 18 to 18.099, whose output goes to the third mixer, third decade. So output will be again 20 to 20.999 megahertz frequency. So frequency is again a different frequency. Here you will find this 18.0000 to 18.0999 megahertz frequencies will be there. 20.0000 to 20.9999 megahertz frequency will be generated. A 13 megahertz frequency it is passed, it will generate, here it will be a subtraction, not addition. Here it will be subtraction. That is what subtraction means. 20 minus 13, as it is a subtraction, which is equal to 7 megahertz, and 20.999 minus 13 will be 7.999 megahertz frequency generated at the output of mixer. So this is what a direct synthesis is. From 18 megahertz frequency we have generated 18.09, 18.009, 18.0999, 18.09999 and so on. A selected frequency from the 2 to 2.9 megahertz, say it is heterodyne or mixed, means added with 18 megahertz reference, and the sum is filtered, produce selectable frequencies of 20 to 20.9 and so on. This frequency is divided by 10 and mixed with the 16 megahertz and so on. So a multitude of intermediate frequencies is generated in the process of generating ultimate output frequency. Great care must be taken in the design of direct synthesizer to shield and filter these undesired outputs. Reference frequencies. Ideally, the reference frequency should be a single frequency independent of all possible influences. As I told you, 18 megahertz frequency is transformed into 18.09, 18.00909, 18.0999 and so on, and along with 7 and 7.999 and so on, frequencies are generated. Number of frequencies are more here, and in the more number of frequencies are generated. The reference frequency should be a single and output frequencies are many. That's why I told you from a T we take out all components, it is nothing but a synthesis. Like this, from a single 18 megahertz frequency we are generating different frequencies. The reference frequency should be a single frequency independent of all possible influences. It is very difficult to achieve an output frequency with a better characteristics than the reference frequency. The reference frequency is a standard frequency, and hence as compared to reference frequency, the frequency generated may not be accurate. It is having less standard than the reference frequency. The resonator frequencies, the frequency reference can be generated using resonators. Resonator technologies include quarter wave resonators, lossless 1/4 wave transmission line, at 3 gigahertz, lambda by 4 is equal to 1 inch. Barium titanate gives Q is equal to 20 K. Quartz resonators, quartz frequency, you might have heard the word. Quartz resonators, although the piezoelectric effect is smaller, quartz has exceptional mechanical and electrical stability. Q is equal to 104 to 106. Frequency translation mixers. Mixers require nonlinear or time varying elements in order to provide frequency translation. Mixer types. Multiplication, the output has only the sum and difference of the two frequencies. Mixer, what mixer does? Mixer gives modulation. The output not only has the sum and difference of the two input frequencies but many other frequencies. Fundamental mixer has A cos omega 1t and another frequency is B cos omega 2t. Output will be AB by 2 cos omega 1 minus omega 2t plus cos omega 1 plus omega 2 into t and so on. So mixer fundamentals are like this. A low pass filter is used to obtain the difference frequency and a high pass filter to obtain the sum frequency or addition of frequencies. The mixer gain is given as AB by 2. The mixer is difficult to analyze because the output frequency is different from the input frequency. Frequency dividers is there in the upper figure, that is frequency divider is flip-flop dividers, or say tens divider. A D flip-flop is acting as a frequency divider. As we know that flip-flop gives division of frequency. After 9 count it resets to 0, and that now after 9 count it resets to 0, which is nothing but a division by 10. So mixer is followed by low pass filter, and then it is followed by D flip-flop dividers. Then frequency multiplier, phase lock loop is acting as a frequency multiplier. That is, here in phase lock loop you might have learned in second year electronics and circuit that low pass filter, voltage control oscillator, and divide by n network will form a voltage control oscillator VCO, so which gives VCO low pass filter, and divide by 10 along with mixer gives phase lock loop, and whose output is F3 is equal to n into F1. So this is a frequency multiplier which is used in the frequency synthesizer technique. So this figure includes all these things. A multiplier is also there, then a mixer is also there, then voltage division is also there. This is voltage divider, this is mixer, adder, and so on. There are different components available in this, where translation, modulation, mixer, and frequency multipliers are used. Techniques of frequency synthesizer. There are different techniques of frequency synthesizer. In coherent synthesis, a relatively few reference frequencies are combined to generate many frequencies. Coherent synthesis, a single reference frequency is used to generate many output frequencies. Coherent direct synthesis, frequency mixers, frequency dividers, and frequency multipliers are used to generate many output frequencies. This method is also called arithmetic synthesis. So incoherent synthesis and coherent synthesis are there. In a coherent synthesis, a single reference frequency is used to generate many output frequencies, whereas in incoherent synthesis means a relatively few reference frequencies are combined to generate many frequencies. So many frequencies from a single is also possible. Many frequencies from a number of frequencies are also possible. In a coherent direct synthesis, frequency mixers, frequency dividers, frequency multipliers are used to generate many output frequency. This method is also called arithmetic synthesis. Coherent direct digital synthesis, direct digital accumulators, ROMs, and digital analog converters are used to generate a discrete time approximation to a sine wave. Coherent indirect synthesis, voltage control oscillator mixers, PLL, frequency multipliers, and frequency dividers generate an output that has a definite relationship to a reference frequency. This completes your unit number 3, signal generator. We will see next part. We will start with next unit, that is unit number 4, in the next lecture. Thank you.